This video is about one learning which I would like to share with you all. Hello, my name is Preeti and welcome back to my channel. Mind Speaks here. I know every person is still learning some or the other thing in their life which is really good. So here I am sharing my one of the learnings for the past few months which I have finally acknowledged and accepted in me. Through the thumbnail or from the title you might have guessed what will be the topic. So let's get into it. You might have seen these kind of videos from the YouTube or from the any other platform, Instagram. Once in a lifetime, please agree. I know you have watched it. Even I have watched it. Okay, I might have watched it multiple times, twice or thrice. Okay, but have you even remember one single line from it, or maybe have you remember what was it about? Because my memory, I don't remember at all. And honestly, I have seen multiple YouTube videos, podcasts, TED Talks, Instagram Reels related to this particular topic, which is pushed by every single speaker, every single motivator. That topic is about motivation. Honestly, I just pick one video, I watch it for 1 or 2 minutes, then I get bored. I mean, I do not find anything productive from it, I do not find any good source from it, and then I close it and go back to the reels and keep on scrolling them. And in addition to it, let me tell you, I was doing this same shit for my YouTube channel as well. I mean, I was just searching for motivation to upload videos for a good schedule, and I was not able to do so because मुझे मोटिवेशन ही नहीं मिल रहा था कहीं से कि क्या करूं. यूट्यूब दूसरों की यूट्यूब वीडियोस देख कर भी मुझे कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं आया था. बड़े बड़े यूट्यूब चैनल्स मैंने फॉलो किए विच हैव द सेम नीश एज मी. आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट मोटिवेटेड. ओके, दे आर डूइंग, ओके आई वॉच द वीडियोस लाइक ओके दे आर डूइंग ना, इट्स फाइन, लेट देम डू इट. आई स्टेप बैक. ऐसा मोटिवेशन लेके घूम रही थी मैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट I was not able to achieve my target. It's been 6 months since 2024 started, and I have not reached the target which I have set for myself. Just because मुझे किसी वीडियो में मोटिवेशन ही नहीं मिल रहा था. But recently, my turtle speed brain have acknowledged and told me, "Ki Preeti, listen, you were not lacking motivation. You was just lacking discipline, the focus, concentration. You are lacking these things. Motivation, though, you can get from anything. Okay, this is 2024. You can get any motivation, any kind of motivation from each and in everything which is available in this planet. I mean, I have also acknowledged, I have also accepted that we can find the motivation from anything. You can take the example of ants. They are very hardworking. They work with the harmony. They keep themselves protected. They work with the good faith and they protect their queen down there. And you can take the example of sunflower, always shining towards the sun and just beautiful. I love sunflowers. Just about. But yes, for discipline, from where we have to get it, from where we have to get that thing done. Who is going to teach us what is discipline? Discipline is not that you have to stand in the queue in the assembly prayer that we have learned in the school. That is not a discipline. Let me make that clear. School has ruined us. I'm against schools. So, coming back to the topic, this was my takeaway from this thing, that with the zero motivation and zero discipline in my life, what and how I have achieved few things. Because motivation is like a first push we need in our life to get something done. But discipline is like a constant push we have to give to ourselves in order to reach that position where we have to go. Okay, and for discipline, I don't think so. Some other human or some other animal or some other person, creature can help us to do so. Okay, I mean, I have also started few tasks, okay, but I have no idea how to keep up with it, how to keep it going, how to just stay consistent to that same work. And the result was I was not able to complete even a single task. See, for myself, what I have came with the concept is like, if I have to stay disciplined, focused, concentrated towards one single task, then what I do is I try to recall my past. Look at my past performance. If I didn't like it, okay, I have to change it now. If in the past I do not like the pace, how I was just completing my task, I didn't like it, I have to change it. And if I didn't like the way I was doing that task and I was not able to find good results from it, then again I have to change it. It was like for me, if I didn't like the past which I was just going through, then in order to secure my future, I have to do something in the present to save the future. So that motivation, that dedication was coming from my past itself. And when I was just keep on thinking about the same thing, okay, what I did wrong in the past, what I was missing out on something in the past, what mistakes I was making continuously in the past, a lot of things start haunting me. A lot of things started in a way like, okay, now I have to do something in order to change, because if I will not make any changes, I'm going to go into a trash. That thing really, really haunted me. So constantly I was trying to fix things in my life. I can take the good example of my fitness. Like, I was not so comfortable, not so okay with the way I was looking in the past few months. So I tried to change it. I have started doing meditation, yoga and book reading, which genuinely helped me little bit right now, because my early morning comes into a perfect stability, as I'm not working right now. I'm in the house and have no other work to do. So all I do is I get up in the morning at around 4:45 or 5, get changed, and start my meditation for 10 minutes, book reading for 30 to 35 minutes, and further other yogas or exercises or stretching exercises. I do so in order to move my body. If I will not do that, who is going to help me? Who is going to do the yoga and meditation for me? Nobody. Like I said, the past haunt me. So when for at least for one day, if I skip my exercise, yoga, or any meditation, my past start to haunt me. Like, okay, if I will not continue it, I will become overweight again. I will get more fat around my tummy and belly fat. I will increase, things like that. So I do not want to end up like there. That is the reason I keep on doing it again and again and again. I know one day the outcome will be very, very nice. And yes, guys, start taking deep breaths, you all. Do you even know that your right amount of blood and oxygen is not flowing from your body through your brain right now? Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. I mean, do it every day in the morning for at least 5 minutes and before going to bed. So yeah, conclusion of this video is about my learning that if I have to remain dedicated towards my work, then I have to keep myself haunted from my past. If I didn't like something which I did in the my previous few months and I want to change it, I will change it. If I will not keep on working on myself, then I will end up in a wrong place which I never wanted to be. So I will suggest you all to sit with you for some time, think, figure it out how to stay consistent in your life, because honestly nobody is coming to rescue you. As I always say in my videos, nobody is coming to save you. Nobody will hold your hand and tell you, okay, I will take you through your destination, I will help you out. Nobody is going to help out you. Everybody in this life is running here and there, pushing everyone down, and nobody even cares how you are feeling. How are your feelings? Are you okay or not? Okay. So sit with you, ask yourself, okay, if I have to achieve something in my life, do I have to maintain some things in my life? Do I have to change some routines in my daily work? And I believe most of you will agree that okay, we need some changes. We cannot stay like this forever. In order to get something, in order to get that Porsche, or Lamborghini which you are just experiencing. Okay, one day I will open the door like this. So you have to do something for it. घर बैठे रील चलाते चलाते दूसरों को मीम्स भेजते भेजते तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. अगर मीम्स के पैसे आते तो बात अलग थी. मीम्स के पैसे भी नहीं आ रहे हैं. तुम बस डाटा उड़ा रहे हो, टाइम उड़ा रहे हो, एनर्जी उड़ा रहे हो, अपने सपने उड़ा रहे हो. बैठो अपने साथ. ओके, बैठो अपने साथ, सोचो कैसे तुम अपने आप को डिसिप्लिन करोगे. बिकॉज सबकी लाइफ अलग है. ठीक है, कोई मॉर्निंग में शिफ्ट करने जाता है, कोई इवनिंग में शिफ्ट करने जाता है, कोई वर्क फ्रॉम होम करता है, किसी की 12 आवर्स की शिफ्ट होती है. somebody is staying in a different country. So तुम किसी और का लाइफस्टाइल कॉपी नहीं कर पाओगे. इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो सिट विद यू, देखो कि तुम्हारा लाइफस्टाइल में तुम्हारा रूटीन कैसे अच्छे से फिक्स हो सकता है. तुम किस टाइम जिम जा सकते हो, कि तुम किस टाइम एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हो, तुम कब से ऑफिस जाते हो, अपनी शिफ्ट्स के लिए जाते हो. अगर तुम नहीं करोगे ना तो कोई स्पेशली आके तुम्हारे साथ कुर्सी पे लग बैठा के 2 कप चाय बना के तुम्हें नहीं बताने वाले कि बेबी अब ऐसा ये करना, ऐसा ये वाला करना, अब तुम ये कर लेना, यहाँ यहाँ चले जाना, ये सब कर लेना. नोबडी इज गोइंग टू डू दैट. करना है तो तुम्हें खुद को करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ तक कि तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स भी नहीं कर सकते कि ओके हमारा लाडला बच्चा है, वी विल डू समथिंग फॉर हिम. That doesn't work. Okay, life doesn't work like that. People will come up to you and will help you. People only come into your life just to push you down. Remember. So डिसिप्लिन में लाना है तो तुम्हें कोई ना कोई एक चीज हॉन्ट करनी चाहिए और तुम्हें रूटीन बनाना चाहिए. मेरे लिए मेरा पास्ट हॉन्ट करता है. तुम अपना चेक करो, मे बी तुम्हें भी पास्ट हॉन्ट करता होगा. मे बी तुमने लास्ट में कुछ ऐसा गंदा काम किया होगा, एक गलत काम किया होगा, लाइफ बहुत खराब चली गई होगी कि अब तुम्हें फिक्स करना है. यू वांट टू फिक्स ऑल द थिंग्स. बस वो चीज दिमाग में अगर घूमती रहे घूमती रहे घूमती रहे ना, तो अगर नहीं भी मन होगा ना कोई चीज करने का तो डार्लिंग हो जाएगा. इवन if a lot of things haunt me, okay, and still haunt me till date right now also, but I have to keep on working. I have to keep on doing it because this is what I love, this is what I expect from myself. Because कोई मेरे पास आके बैठ कर ये नहीं बोलने वाला कि बेटी आज स्क्रिप्ट बना ले, आज लिख ले, आज तो रिकॉर्ड कर ले. कोई नहीं आने वाला. बस बोल देंगे एक ब्रेक कर ले. बैठना, रेडी होना, थोड़ा सा लिपस्टिक लगाना मेरा ही तो काम है. सो ऑल आई वुड से, I hope you love this video. Take your time, find a right act in your life. Search what is for you. Search and fix your routine. If something is not important in your life, remove it. Either it's a family member, your friends, your work, or any other particular addiction you have. Remove it. If it's not giving you good outcome, good source in your, not bringing some good source in your life, remove it. Say tata, goodbye, thank you, out. You do not have to take hold them rest of your life. I hope थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आ गया होगा. And yes, do let me know if you like the background. I'll try to change it little bit to make a different environment बनाने के लिए. Honestly बताना अगर अच्छा ना लगे तो I will try to change it again. And I, I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.